5 side hustles that you can start in 2022. Coming in at number 1 is to flip furniture. Now, if you're handy at all or creative, then this one might be a great one for you. This can be a really fun and profitable side hustle if you are creative. Now, you can do this by going to your local thrift store or by going on Facebook Marketplace and looking for undervalued furniture or old furniture that just needs a bit of a facelift. You can find these furniture pieces at a really deep discount on these websites. You can then buy these furniture pieces and paint them, reupholster them, whatever you think would look cool. The point is to give them a new life and then sell them again on places like Facebook Marketplace or on apps like OfferUp and make a profit. And if you continuously do this, this could really add up. I know people that are making thousands of extra dollars a month just by flipping furniture, so it's a great side hustle. Number 2 is sign up for an app called Field Agent. Field Agent is an app that allows you to pick up task-oriented jobs for errands you might already be running. Some of these tasks could be mystery shops, or they could just be a buy and try where you would buy the product, try it out, and take a few photos and give your thoughts on it. You do get reimbursed and you get paid a few bucks for completing the task. It's simple enough. They have a lot of tasks, usually at places like grocery stores, Target, Walmart, places you would most likely already be going to run some errands. So next time you are at one of these places running errands, just open up this app and see if there's anything available where you can get some extra cash at, especially because you're already there. Number 3 is to start an Etsy shop. If you've seen some of my other videos, then you know that you could be making a killing selling either physical or digital products on Etsy. If you're selling digital products, then that's even easier. I actually just did a video where I talk about selling digital products, and I'll link that up here so you can check that out, and where I go a little bit more into depth on what sorts of digital products you could sell. If you have any sort of experience at all with making things like soaps or decor or whatever, or anything like that, then you should really be monetizing these skills. Monetize these skills and sell your products on Etsy. And as I mentioned, you don't even have to sell physical products. Just create a simple resume template or something like that using Canva and sell that on Etsy as a digital download. This way you don't have to really put forth any money at all. You don't have to worry about shipping costs or packaging. You literally just upload your digital product or design and people can buy it and download it onto their computers right away, and you're done. You just get paid. Number 4, if you have access to a car, then you can become a shopper for websites like Instacart and Shipt. So anytime someone orders groceries from one of these platforms, you can pick if you want to do that order. You can go to the store, shop for their products, and then you would deliver these products to that customer's house or wherever they're getting them delivered to. And you make money while doing this. This is a great side hustle with a lot of flexibility. You can pretty much pick up a job whenever you want, whenever it's available, and just earn some extra cash to the side. And it's literally you just going to the store or grocery store, grabbing the stuff on their list, and then dropping them off. And the 5th side hustle you can be doing is to join Thumbtack. Are you good at any sort of handiwork? Maybe you can paint well, or maybe you're good at hanging things up. Maybe you can mount a TV on the wall, or take care of kids well. You can literally put up a posting for yourself on this app called Thumbtack. Thumbtack basically has listings of local vendors, people who do nails, or people who can do handiwork and do painting and all these other things. I can't advocate for Thumbtack enough. I've used them on several occasions to get some painting done in my house. I actually just hired a virtual personal trainer using Thumbtack as well. So the possibilities are endless. Just take a look at what you can do. People will even hire someone on Thumbtack to come to their house and hang up a few paintings because they just don't want to do it or they don't know how to do it. And people are willing to pay some good money for these small tasks. So take advantage of it. Check out Thumbtack. Check out the Thumbtack app, or just go on their website, thumbtack.com. and see what kind of postings are there, and see what you're good at and what you could potentially post on there. And you can really make a ton of money doing this, and there's so much flexibility with it because you're the one that kind of dictates when you want to meet with the client, what your calendar schedule looks like. So you can do it on your own time. And there you have it. If you got any value from this video at all, make sure to hit the subscribe button and the bell notification so you're notified anytime I upload similar videos. Now, if you're interested in learning more about how to make money online, make sure you check out this video next. With that being said, I'll catch you in the next video.